Space Battleship Yamato. The Yamato is the central space battleship of the series and the ship that carries the crew on their journey to Iskandar. Originally built from the wreckage of the legendary battleship Yamato, it is reconstructed into a spacecraft using advanced alien technology. Its most important feature is the wave motion engine, which gives the ship enormous speed and allows it to travel across interstellar distances. The Yamato also carries the wave motion gun, a weapon capable of destroying extremely large targets with a single shot. Beyond its weapons, the ship is important because it represents humanity's attempt to survive after Earth is devastated by radioactive attacks. Kongo-Class Battleship. The Kongo-Class Battleship is one of the major Earth battleship designs used in Space Battleship Yamato. Unlike the Yamato, it is built primarily as a conventional fleet warship and does not have the same extraordinary capabilities. The class uses powerful main guns and is designed to operate as part of a larger military force. Several Kongo-class ships take part in Earth's defense against the Garmillas. Their design reflects a military fleet that still relies on large battleships for heavy firepower, while the Yamato serves as a much more specialized vessel. Murasame-Class Cruiser. The Murasame-class is a large Earth warship that operates alongside the heavier battleships. Although it is classified as a cruiser rather than a battleship, it plays an important role in Earth's space fleet. Murasame-class ships are used for fleet operations, combat, and defense missions. Their smaller size gives them a different role from the Yamato and Kongo-class battleships. They help provide additional firepower and numbers during major fleet engagements. Andromeda. The Andromeda is one of the most famous Earth battleships introduced after the Yamato's original voyage. It appears prominently in Space Battleship Yamato and represents a new generation of Earth military technology. The ship is larger and designed around a more modern fleet doctrine with advanced propulsion, powerful weapons, and improved automation. Unlike the Yamato, the Andromeda is intended to be part of a standardized military fleet. Its arrival shows that Earth has begun rebuilding its military strength after the earlier war. Andromeda-Class Battleship. The Andromeda-Class is the mass-produced battleship class developed from the original Andromeda design. Several ships of this class form the backbone of the rebuilt Earth fleet. They share many of the Andromeda's major features, including powerful main batteries and advanced propulsion systems. The class is important because Earth is no longer depending on a single legendary ship. Instead, it now possesses a fleet of modern battleships capable of conducting large-scale operations. Dreadnought-Class Battleship. The Dreadnought-Class is another major Earth battleship design associated with the rebuilt fleet. It is developed as a powerful warship capable of operating alongside the Andromeda-Class. Its design emphasizes heavy firepower and long-range combat, making it suitable for major fleet engagements. Dreadnought-class ships also demonstrate how quickly Earth's military technology develops after the events of the earlier series. They are part of a much larger and more sophisticated space fleet than the one that existed during the Yamato's original voyage. Aldebaran. The Aldebaran is a battleship of the rebuilt Earth fleet and is associated with the newer generation of powerful warships. It belongs to the same broad period of military development that produced the Andromeda and Dreadnought designs. The ship is equipped for large-scale space combat and operates as part of Earth's expanding fleet. Its importance comes from the changing nature of Earth's military forces. Instead of depending almost entirely on the Yamato, humanity now has multiple powerful battleships capable of fighting across space. Amaterasu. The Amaterasu is an Earth battleship associated with the advanced fleet of the Yamato 2202 era. Like other modern Earth warships, it reflects the technological expansion that followed the earlier conflicts. Its role is primarily connected to fleet combat rather than the long-distance exploration mission that defined the Yamato. The ship represents another step toward a standardized and heavily armed Earth space navy, where multiple large warships can operate together. Garmillas Battleships. Garmillas Battleships form part of the powerful military forces that oppose Earth during the early stages of the story. Their technology is generally more advanced than the equipment available to humanity at the beginning of the conflict. Garmillas warships are built for space combat and commonly operate in coordinated fleets rather than as isolated vessels. Their advanced propulsion, energy weapons, and defensive systems make them a major challenge for Earth's surviving forces. The battles between these ships and the Yamato demonstrate the technological gap that humanity must overcome. Comet Empire Battleships. The Comet Empire operates large and heavily armed warships during the conflict depicted in the later Yamato stories. These ships are designed around the military power of the Comet Empire and are generally larger and more heavily equipped than many ordinary Earth vessels. Their fleets combine battleships with carriers, cruisers, and other specialized spacecraft. The Comet Empire's warships are important because they introduce a military force capable of challenging both the Yamato and the rebuilt Earth fleet on a much larger scale. Dessler's Battleship. Dessler's battleship is associated with Dessler, the leader of Garmillas, and serves as a symbol of his personal authority and military power. Unlike ordinary fleet vessels, a command ship of this kind has an important role beyond simple firepower. It serves as a mobile center for leadership and major military operations. Its presence also reflects the political structure of Garmillas, where powerful commanders and leaders can have highly specialized ships. The vessel therefore connects the military side of the story with the larger conflict between the leaders of Garmillas and the Yamato crew.